and a series of videos I'm intending to put online so that it can easily introduce the product. This is something that we used to do in a face-to-face mode with the schools. So I hope this will help actually introducing more about each product. So I'm going to start with Inspire Science, and I'm going to take 2 minutes, 3 minutes, just introducing quickly what is the Inspire Science program, and then I can move into the online platform and leaving at the end your the opportunity for you to communicate with us so we can answer your questions. So our Inspire Science program is actually a program that has been out in the 2019-2020. So it is, I would like to say this is a build on NGSS rather than saying it is only correlated to NGSS. And the reason why is that NGSS is not only about science, it's about what approach, learning and teaching approaches the modern teaching, working, evidence-based, research-based approaches that has been used, particularly working in a three-dimensional learning mode, which is science, thinking skills, and real-life experiences. And that is reflected in the SEP, the science and engineering, the DCI, the discipline core ideas, and the cross-cutting concepts. It's also about the attitude towards learning. So, do I have to learn because I want just to get a high grade, or I want to put in whatever I'm learning into my into the entire teaching attitude and learning attitude that we are doing. So I'm going to actually start by just identifying what this program is made up of. So this program is available in print and digital, and some schools. The perfect way to do it, the perfect practice, let me say, is to have a hybrid or what we call a blended format, so you can have both of them. But if you would like to have it only in print, it will still work perfectly. And if you want it only digital, it can also work perfectly. From K to 8, actually, not only K to 5, the student core textbook is divided into four physical sections called unit, and so is the teacher guide, the teacher edition. There are a huge, massive library of resources. Let me mention some of those. Those can be literacy, leveled readers, magazines, scientific magazines that are basically used one for additional information resource and second for differentiated instruction tools. So these are one of the differentiated instruction tools that are available, and these are this is what you're looking at now is a kind of the investigator magazines that you may find for K to 12, for K to 2, the grade 2 to 5. I'm sorry for that. Those include simply written, differentiated, lexiled language, science articles that can be used as an extra reading. For middle school, we have two formats of the program. So we have an integrated one, which is grade 6, grade 7, and grade 8. And there is a discipline one, which is physical science, life science, and earth and space. So it depends on what the school is, how the school is teaching science at the middle school in order for you to select what choice you want. In the 9 to 12, we have one book per grade, and those are the biology, chemistry, physics, and Inspire Science Earth Science program. It has a hardcover textbook, student edition, and teacher edition. So the learning science or the highlight, the guideline of the learning science behind Inspire Science is it is very student centered as per NGSS. It covers perfectly the three-dimensional approach. It is heavily supported with